Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it's very clear that we're in a wave 3 right now, and we're also in a bigger wave 3 on the monthly and the weekly. So very, very strong trend. If anything you get out of my videos, you need to realize that the trend is your friend, especially when you're in a second degree wave 3 like we are right now. Now we are at the 161% Fibonacci extension, but the weekly and monthly time frame Fibonacci extension is right here, and that is a little bit above the 4050 area to 4080 area. So there's really no reason to say that this is over. I mean, this little teeny move down that we're getting on sort of time frames definitely doesn't prove that anything is over whatsoever. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, yes, we are getting a little bit of a break of structure to the downside. So what I would do is I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole series of higher highs, higher lows on the 1 hour time frame, which started right here. If I get a Fibonacci bounce, especially if it's a three-wave Fibonacci, counter trend move, like a one, two, three waves to a fib level, then an engulfing up, I definitely still would be recommending nothing but longs in an uptrend. When you're in a wave 3 on the higher time frames, you really, really need to trade with the trend until the wave 3 is proven to be over, which it definitely has not done so yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.